Okay, so if you want to put into different way, you can do it like that, the same thing also. Okay, in front of you and easy for you to take them. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Jhaycell here. Have a nice day. So in this video, I would like to share to you that I am doing the unboxing for my new equipment in my YouTube, because my microphone already spoiled, so I bought in Lazada. So here, okay, here, this is I buy from them because already spoiled my things. I bought two because they separate the boxes. So we will open it now because of my microphone is already okay. So here you can see that. So I will bought in they have a promotion, that's why I bought it. And then this one can use in DSLR, smartphone, camcorders, and PC, and no battery required, that's why. So I bought it. It's really nice to do the bubbles. They pack nicely. And then we will open it. So because guys, if we don't have a nice microphone which is really low, because I noticed my previous video that my microphone is super low, so which is really not nice. So it's not even you want to watch also, you want to skip it out because of the capacity of it's really not nice. Okay, so I bought this one. Okay, so okay, I bought this to put in the phone already, just like that. And then I hope it can long last, because last time I bought is only for about 20 plus. Yeah, it's okay. And then here we buy more this one, at least more cheaper. Okay, so here you can use for super cardioid condenser microphone, and then compact lightweight is really light, and then reinforced ABS construction, include the 3.5 mm TRS cable and 1 3.0 mm TRS cable from windshield included. Okay, foam windshield included. Okay, so signal to noise ratio. Okay, so it's really good. So the name is BY-BM2021. Okay, super cardioid for smartphone and for the PC. Okay, so audio recording. Okay, so we will check it out, guys. Wow. Okay, so here you can see that they have also this. Okay, so really nice, you can see. And then this is the microphone. Okay, so at least you know our microphone now is already upgraded. So this is the microphone. Okay, so this is the microphone that I bought. So it's really nice. This is the hole for the wire, and then so quite okay. And then here is the USB. Okay, so this is the USB. This is really nice, you know. So this is the USB. So okay, we will move a bit here. So this is the one. Okay, so next is we will check another one. What is this? Oh, okay, this is the cover for this. Okay, the cover for that, which is you want to put it inside, is really good for you. And then this is a 2 cord for this in your phone and in your for the other one, you know, so you can put it inside. And then next we will put this one. Okay, so this is the another one more. We will put the description below as long as you can take free, not free, promotion of the code. So I'm using another code. Okay, so we will put it inside. We will open this. Okay. So, oh my god. Okay, so here, wait, I open first and then okay, so here this is ULANZI for holding the thing. Okay, so here actually is to hold the phone, and if you want to put the light also can, but this one to hold the phone and to hold in the in the microphone together, so you no need to worry. Okay. Okay, oops, like this. Okay, here ULANZI. Okay, this is the one, look like that, and then we will take out the plastic. Okay, become like this. So we will put it in here. Oh, how I'm gonna put now? Okay, then okay, we just put it inside here. Okay, wait. Okay, here. Okay, we will put it like that. So we already have now. And to hold the microphone, we have to tight. We have to tight because it's too loosen. Okay. Oops. Okay, at least already upgraded. And then we will put this one. I need to know how it is. So this is the one you can put also, like for example, you want to put the lights on top here, but I never put, so never mind. So we will put my phone example. Okay, so this is my, you can up a bit like that, and then you can do it. Oops. Okay, so here, okay, done. So okay, and then now better. Okay, on. And then okay, so it's really good because your phone, it won't spoil. You can see from like that. Okay, so if you want to put into different way, you can do it like that, the same thing also. Okay, in front of you and easy for you to take the video. Okay, so and especially this one, I need to find away the paper over here. Okay, it's okay. Here, guys, smartphone. They can know that which wire you want to use because they have a name for the smartphone. Okay, so here we will take out this one. So okay, we will take out this. The best thing can do is, okay, I think this one for the smartphone, and this is for this one for the BOYA. Let me see. Okay, correct. You have to check properly. Okay, so in the smartphone, if you really want to know, there is a tree line, and this one is a 2 line. Okay, so this one actually is a speaker. All these things, they have a meaning, and then this one is different. So you have to put here in the BOYA microphone the 2, and then you have to put it in this here in your iPhone, and charan. Okay, so like this. Okay, so become like this front. So we will put it in your like a tripod. If you have a tripod, you put like that. Okay, so now we have a nice microphone now. Okay, so okay, we have to put here. Okay, so we need to find my tripod. Okay, so here already done, and then that's it. Okay, so here we will do it. We already have this, and then you have to, you know, look like this actually. Okay, it become like this, but I never used the light here because I already have a light. But this light also we can take out, but too big. I have a small light. Okay, so another one more light, I need to take out that. Okay, so here nice. If you want to buy this kind, but of course you have to put the tripod here, because if you never put the tripod here, it's quite difficult for you guys. Okay, so you need to put it here. Okay, so tarang. Okay, so we already have it now, already done. So now we will do it our, you know, so now quite okay, not bad, you know. So here the microphone. Okay, so like that. Okay, so just like this. The question, how to on the microphone now. Yep. Okay, so here we will try to do the recording. Okay. Okay, so we already done. It's really good, the frequency. So we will try later the new microphone for our new YouTube videos. So here is really good because they have a warranty card, I guess. So here is you can microphone phone when carrying pouch. A user guy uses microphone with camera before recording the important event. Okay, so we will use that. And then 1, 2 microphone, 2 is the phone, 3 carrying pad, 4. Okay, so we will find this, and then for smartphone, tablet, okay, for this one. And then when the using, okay, this is the microphone. Okay, this is the mic. Oh, there is no light. Okay, so done. Charang! So we already have a new one. Okay, so here, pop, 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 pop. Okay, we already have it. Okay, so now it's really good that we have this, which is easy for me. I no need to tie the microphone in my body, because last time I buy the cheaper a bit of microphone, so that's why. Okay, so we will try the microphone for the next vlog, for the next video. Okay, thank you so much, guys, because if we don't have a microphone, we don't have mood to talk also. Okay. Okay, so that is my experience. So thank you so much, guys. I will put in the description below for the where I bought this in Lazada, so it's really worth it. And then we will, you know, we will have to buy the new new microphone, you know, for the better video and audio, you know. So if really don't have, it's really not nice. So it's better to have a new microphone. Okay, thank you so much, guys.